Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can occur with Wi-Fi channels. On my access point, we have a range of channels available, some marked with radar detection. But what does that mean for us users, and can we actually use those channels? Currently, I'm using channel 40, but let's explore the implications of those radar detection channels. In the solution to our channel mystery, it's important to note that using channels marked with radar detection is completely legal. These channels overlap with frequencies previously used by radar systems, and to prevent interference, Wi-Fi equipment must perform radar detection, also known as dynamic frequency selection, DFS. If radar-like energy pulses are detected on these channels, your equipment will automatically switch to another channel to avoid disruption. This automated process ensures that Wi-Fi can coexist harmoniously with legacy radar installations still using those frequencies. Solution aside, it's fascinating how technology adapts to ensure efficient and interference-free communication. With DFS enabling Wi-Fi devices to navigate potential radar interference seamlessly, we can appreciate the complexity behind wireless networking. So remember, if your equipment unexpectedly switches channels, it might just be evading a radar energy pulse like a pro. In summary, we've uncovered the world of radar detection in Wi-Fi channels, shedding light on the measures taken to prevent disruptions. With DFS in place, our devices can navigate potential radar interference effortlessly, ensuring a smoother Wi-Fi experience for all. Thanks for joining me on this channel exploration adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the discussion flowing.